Morning guys, this was a new vlog. Say hi babe.
Hello.
Yeah, we're staying on cut, £16, which I'll put in the link.
Lovely campsite.
It's nice and peaceful. Birdies are tweeting. Right by a river we're gonna have a look at, but also you got this abbey in there. Let me go inside. The remains of an abbey. Let's go.
Dripping water off the roof as the rain fills up the plain. Turquoise, purple and blue were the colors of the half-built houses across the plain. The park is now a swimming pool with a wall of flowers turning orange.
Guys, we've also got this on the campsite as well. Look at this. So you got the abbey and you got this river on the campsite. What more? This is banging, guys. Lovely area.
And how it is, building frames standing strong and tall, moving engines in the background roll. We'll be going up that hill soon, we'll be climbing up that mountain, round and round the rocks like a merry-go-round. Jumping off our seats we will, probably like asleep but still viewing heights of earth.
Guys, where are we going? To the Elon Valley. The Elon Valley, guys. We're going a bit of swimming and a bit of paddleboarding, hopefully. But Andy is just filling up the water. Thanks, babe. And then I guess we'll hit the road. Hit the road, Jack.
We will go higher and higher. We will go.
Right, guys, after 1 hour and 40 minutes, we have made it to the Elon Valley, and it is beautiful.
Reached the lake which was so still, a little guy and his pointy boat and his paddle and his yellow water.
Look at that, guys. And the sun has been top on for us, guys. The weather has been banging for us. It's not rained once since we've been here, so we are lucky. Here's some footage of the what's it called? The dam. Let's go. This is the Elon Valley, guys. This is the we're going to the next dam. Damn you. Anything?
No.
Nothing to say? Nothing to say. Oh. Is that it? Guys, I'll pick up the camera more, but what do you want us to say? There's no point just waffling. Might as well just pick up the camera when we see exciting stuff. Like this we're about to see in a minute. See ya!
And higher and higher we will go. Oh, higher.
On the road again! Guys, we're still in Wales. We're heading down to the Brecons. We're going to go to the free... Is it the free waterfalls? It's called the free waterfalls. There's free waterfalls, obviously. There's one that you can go behind, and then there's one that you can swim in, and the other one you can just look at. So, and we're going to go to the shop first, get a bit of food, probably only for today, and then we are heading back to Cornwall. What do you say, Daisy?
And higher we will go.
Made it to the waterfall, peeps. Whoop, whoop. another one up there as well, but I can't see it. Look at these waterfalls, guys. This is waterfall at number 4, guys, if you can hear me. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we made it to the waterfalls. It is cold in there, bloody freezing. But you got to do it. You can't come all this way and then not go in that. That is banging. But if you can hear me, this is number 2 of the waterfalls. I will show you number 3 and 4. What do you reckon, babe? Just speak to the microphone.
Hello. Hello, people.
What do you think of the waterfall?
The waterfall is beautiful.
Andy said the waterfall is beautiful. We're on the way to number 4, guys. This one you can go behind, so I think we're all going to go behind this one. We'll see. Baby coming behind it. Go stand under it. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Gotta go through it. This is a waterfall at number 4, guys, if you can hear me. And this one, look, you can go behind it. There's people behind there, but we'll go behind there in a minute. I'm even going to go and swim over to it. This is waterfall number 4, guys. Look, we're under it.
Jumping up our seats we will, probably like asleep, but still, viewing heights of earth we never see, no higher and higher.
It's too wobbly, I can't get off. It's not even moving. There it is. I can't get off. It's moving too much.
Give me your hands.
I can't. You have to go in.
Oh my god. Dang, your foot, your foot.
Why did I come
No,
in?
your foot.
I'm stuck. I'm gonna have to go in. You have to, babe, babe. Thanks. Shit. I'll keep that in there, little blooper. I just nearly knocked my tooth out. Guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, again, please hit that thumbs up button. It is free to do that. And also hit that subscribe button. We have done what, 4 hours? 4 hours of walking. A whole circle of that waterfall.
Shattered.
And a bit of swimming, but
It was good.
it was good. I'm not going to prolong this, but thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and see you soon, guys. We're going home tomorrow, but it's going to be bank holiday. It's going to be hot, so we'll get some footage still. I'm going to try to do daily vlogs until we're famous.